Welcome to a pretty funny lock arrangement that I found the other day in the meadow next to a bicycle parking area for public transportation. Looks like someone did not rely on the security of the combination lock, but instead used a more secure padlock to lock up his chain. But this link broke, so looks like it was quite easy to rip off this chain from the last linkage here. Doesn't look too solid. I think that's where the solder or the weld broke. And there is some silicone, perhaps to avoid moisture to come inside, but it didn't quite work well. We can see some rust here. Anyhow, now it's here in the lock lab and ready for being picked. The ABUS, it's a brass padlock, nice ABUS 8530, so 30 millimeters across. Model number is 85. I picked it before. It is full of spools and quite a nice pick. I use a Peterson flat 0.8 millimeters in thickness that goes in this edge of the keyway, and I use this 15 thousandths Peterson hook. All right, let's see. It was 1 counter rotation and set and 2 and 3, but I think I lost the false set. Maybe I overset or some other pins returned. Feels like I overset. I wiggled around and I think I returned into my false set back again. And the last pin did not work. Oh, and it's open. All right, that was quick. Let's unlink the combination lock. Let's see if this actually works. Shine a light in here. Here we can see the first number. Here we are in a gate. I think it's hard to see down there. That was 2. So I think 1 and 2 should be good. How does this go in? All right. I zoom out a little bit. So 1 and 2 are good. 3 is also good. And, that's already the number. Quite cool. So, yeah, works. So it's not like that this lock was broken, but as I said in the beginning, I think the person did not rely on the security of this lock, and it's quite easy to decode this lock on tension. But the link broke quite easily, as it looks like. So avoid these kind of cheap chain locks. They are not worth the money and easy to break. All right, that's it. I wish you all very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and have fun with your presents and have a good time, have a good holiday time, and until we meet again, happy picking, cheers and bye-bye. Hope you are still here for a bonus picking. I clamped the lock in a vise to show you a more controlled picking, but let's do things a little bit different. I use an L tensioner this time and a Sparrows pick in, what is that, 18 thousandths, and I go in like so, straight on the pins, and rest my pick on the tensioner. So 1 is binding, Got it? 2 is binding. Got it? 3. Got it? I'm not sure about 4, but 3 is binding again, and it's open. That's how easy it is. Maybe it's because of the vise or because of the different setup with the L tensioner and the way the lock is picked, with the pick resting on this ledge here, on the tensioner. But that was quite a quick pick and quite an enjoyable pick. So that's now really it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.